we've just been to the magistrate court on one of the cases where concocted charges against myself, Aluta, Daima Socha, Councillor Mwini, and Councillor Sarashi on charges that we removed posters of ZANU-PF funded candidates who lost dismally in the election and has used the courts as a point of entry to try and dismember some of us. We were supposed to have a judgment today, but it has been postponed to the 11th, obviously because the state is not ready. It's obviously prosecution that is being abused by the regime to try and dismember some of us. We remain fortified and we are not petrified. We are going to come back on the 11th to hear and listen to a judgment. Obviously we are not guilty. The regime is troglodyte in the form of one Soneni has no case. And that's why they are trying to abuse criminally so the justice delivery system to try and keep some of us in and out of the courts. We are going to come here. We will still use the courts as a point of entry to spread the messages of change and the messages of hope. Because those who are fighting to liberate are not just ourselves, but we also want to liberate even those that are working in these same courts and the entire part of our nation, including those in ZANU-PF, because the society that we want to create is a country, is a nation that works for all of us. A nation that does not look the color of your skin, or a nation that does not look the color of your political party, but it's a country that works for everyone. So we are not petrified. We know that we are not guilty. We know that we have not committed an offense. So we await for the judgment on the 11th of this month, so that we continue with our work. Citizens are very clear. We thank every citizen, particularly those in Bulawayo who have been in solidarity with us, because solidarity is one of the cornerstones of our national democratic project. So we are happy, we are pleased, we are equally humble and send our gratitude to Zimbabweans, both local and in the diaspora, who have stood with us and stood with our President, Advocate Nelson Chamisa. We know that we are not guilty. We know that a new Zimbabwe is possible in our lifetime. Those who are governing have no mandate from the people. That's why they are using the courts to try and disabuse us and to try and make sure that they abuse some of us who are genuine in the desire to see a democratic society. So to us, it's Aluta continua. To us, it's not to continue. Thank you very much.